Space is often described as silent, but that word is dangerously misleading. Silence implies emptiness, a lack of activity, a void where nothing happens. In reality, the universe is never quiet. It is filled with constant motion, radiation, pressure, and energy flowing in every direction at all times. Even in the darkest regions of space, particles collide, fields interact, time itself moves forward. What we call silence is simply the absence of human perception. For decades, scientists have built machines designed to listen beyond that limitation, not to hear sound, but to detect signals, patterns, disturbances in the cosmic background. And for the most part, what they find is exactly what they expect: chaos, random noise, unstructured radiation, the natural static of an ancient universe. But every so often, something appears that does not belong in that chaos, something that follows rules, something that looks deliberate. And when it is discovered, it never stays. The most disturbing question is not what these signals are, it is whether we were ever supposed to notice them. Human fascination with the sky predates science by thousands of years. Early civilizations believed the heavens were alive, that stars were eyes, that the movement of planets carried intention. Meaning was projected onto the sky because the sky was unreachable. As technology advanced, mythology gave way to measurement. Telescopes replaced temples, mathematics replaced prophecy, but the motivation remained unchanged. We wanted to know whether we were alone. The invention of radio astronomy transformed that desire into action. For the first time, humanity could detect signals that did not rely on light. Radio waves revealed a hidden universe operating beneath what our eyes could see. At first, the discoveries were comforting. Pulsars, quasars, predictable, powerful, natural phenomena that followed physical laws. Each new discovery reinforced the belief that the universe, while vast, was understandable. Then came the anomalies. Natural cosmic signals share common traits. They decay over time, they fluctuate irregularly, they are influenced by gravity, distance, and interference. Even the most energetic natural events carry a form of randomness. Artificial signals do not. They repeat, they stabilize, they conserve bandwidth. They appear at frequencies that minimize noise and maximize transmission efficiency. These traits are not philosophical, they are engineering principles. When scientists detect repetition in space, it immediately attracts attention, not excitement, concern. Because repetition suggests intent, and intent implies agency. This is where the line between astronomy and discomfort begins.
Long before the public became aware of unexplained space signals, researchers encountered them quietly, brief spikes buried in data, irregular bursts that appeared once and never again. Early instruments lacked the resolution to confirm their origin. Most of these events were labeled as errors, equipment glitches, atmospheric interference, statistical outliers. But as detection technology improved, something unsettling happened. The signals did not disappear. They became clearer, stronger, more defined. Still rare, but impossible to ignore. Each time one appeared, it followed the same pattern: a sudden emergence, a short duration, and complete silence afterward. On August 15, 1977, a radio telescope known as the Big Ear recorded a signal unlike anything before it. Lasting exactly 72 seconds, the signal was exceptionally strong and appeared at a frequency long predicted as ideal for interstellar communication. The signal did not drift, it did not fluctuate. It rose and fell exactly as Earth's rotation would suggest if the source were fixed in space. Astronomer Jerry Amon circled the data by hand, and wrote a single word in the margin: "Wow." The signal was never detected again. Decades of follow-up observations failed to reproduce it. Every natural explanation proposed fell apart under scrutiny. The official scientific position remains unresolved. And unresolved does not mean solved. In the 21st century, astronomers encountered a new class of signals known as fast radio bursts. These events release more energy in milliseconds than the sun produces in days. Most occur once and vanish, but some repeat. One repeating source followed a precise cycle: active for several days, silent for several more, then active again. This periodic behavior challenged existing models. Nature does not schedule itself. Something else does. Perhaps the most disturbing discoveries come from cosmic voids, regions of space nearly empty of matter. No stars, no galaxies, no known mechanisms capable of producing energy, and yet signals emerge. Structured, persistent, unexplained. Physics offers no satisfying explanation, only unanswered questions. Every unexplained signal shares one defining characteristic: it ends. There is no response, no escalation, just silence. Perhaps detection itself is the trigger. Perhaps listening is the mistake. If these signals were meant for us, they would continue. If they were not, then the most unsettling possibility remains: we were never supposed to hear them at all.